Hi there. So also, the acronym for today is HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It was invented in 1990 by a bloke called Tim Berners-Lee. He's known as the father of the internet. And HTML is the basic scripting language of a web page. It's used for writing up and tagging content so that it can be displayed on the World Wide Web. It's a pretty useless thing for most business owners to know about. It's more taken care of by the web developers and the coding people. But one of the little known and overlooked aspects of HTML is it allows you to mark up the page with metadata, which is the title tag and a description of the page, which is displayed by search engines when you view your search results page. So you'll see the web address and then you'll see the title tag and the description about the page. And that's the opportunity to sell the click, to get people to click through to your web page. Now, when you talk to most techie people who are designing or building websites, they're not worried about that much. They're just worried about how it looks and how it displays and all that sort of stuff. Whereas overall, a strategy for you is to get found and to get the right people to find you, but also to get them to take some action when they do find you via search. So that's why HTML becomes pretty important. So it's important for all the pages that matter on your website. Some people put no index accidentally, or sometimes the developer puts no index upon the code of your page so that the Google crawlers won't come through and index all of that content and all of those markups. So it won't be part of the Google search system and you'll never get found. So making sure that when you're briefing someone to build a website, you consider, like we do, all the aspects of the content and the HTML, the metadata and all that sort of stuff so that you can have a truly holistic digital strategy that'll work for you. So if you're unsure of whether your site's being indexed properly by Google or whether you're structured for search, reach out and we can have a look and give you some advice. Hope you find this useful.